everyone and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Salsa Practice Routine 1A. Now you might be thinking, why the 1A? That's because we have practice routines 1 to 10, which we taught throughout 2020 during the lockdowns, and we are now doing another set of classes online. So 2023 now, every Sunday evening, 9 o'clock, we are doing online classes, but we're really starting from quite basic moves. So as I do the routines, I'm going to label them 1A, 2A, 3A, and so on. So it will be of a similar level of difficulty to the original numbers 1 to 10, which started easy at 1, increased in difficulty until we got to number 10. And I will be doing these as 1A, 1B, 1C, etc. So that's just to keep in mind. Hopefully we'll get 10 nice new routines, all slight variations and interesting. So you can go back through the playlist and look at all the original ones, 1 to 10, and then you can look at all the ones with the 1A, 2A, and so on. I am also going to record with music at the end of the demonstration, because I have one song which I believe is going to be okay. It's provided for by a YouTube music thing, so I shouldn't get a copyright strike. Here's hoping. So I will use that in a moment, so we can actually see it with the music, which is again another new one for this year. So let's have a little look. Always our forwards basic, 1, 2, 3, our back basic 5, 6, 7. That's our mambo for starting off, gets us in time with the music. So the first bar of footwork is going to be a kick ball change on the left foot, kick ball change, Susie Q, Susie Q. I'll call the numbers out on the second time round. I then do a side prep, out and turn, close the left foot in. I'm going to use close the right foot in, and I'm going to use the left foot for tap, tap, tap. That's the second bar. Third bar, New York flares forwards twice, step, point, and 4 pony steps backwards. Back, 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 back. Let's do those 3 bars together and I'll call the numbers out. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at the next 3 bars. So the next one, starting with the left foot, a left turn, and you can either do a single or a double. The single looks like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, it's like a walking turn, and the double adds on an extra at the end of that bar. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, extra turn out on that foot, 7. Okay, optional. If you don't want to do the double, do the single, walk it around. So that is the left turn, and then we're going to do the LA shuffle with the left foot. Forwards and back and Susie Q. And then I'm going to lead with the right foot into a grapevine for the whole bar. Over, behind, over, behind, over, tap. Okay, let's do those 3 bars with the numbers. So we have left double turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. LA shuffle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7. Now right foot grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put the whole thing together from the top. 1 basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shall we try it with the music? friendly, we hope. 6, 7, 1. I'll turn it up a little bit. Are we ready? That's a nice song. We start with a kickball change. Here we go. Turning, tapping, forwards, left turn, LA shuffle. Facing. Let's do it again. Now that tempo hasn't changed. It's only the instruments on top that are doing crazy things. Our tempo's still the same. This is quite nice, isn't it? Here we go, kick will change. Left spin. Let me turn that off. It feels quite nice to be able to demonstrate with a piece of music. Since so many of my videos for the last couple of years have been without the music. So I hope you've enjoyed that. That was Improver's Solo Salsa, practice routine 1A. And I will see you again very shortly. Bye-bye.